Check out my Easter merch. Like this, like that, like this, and like that. You can make upwards of $2,500 right now. Stick around to learn how you can set up your own shop and start selling print-on-demand products with zero upfront costs. And yes, Easter-themed goodies are a great way to get started this season. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes, of course I am.
Hit it! Now, if you head over to Etsy and search for Easter t-shirt, you'll find tons of designs like this adorable Easter bunny and egg designs selling for about $25. Some of these sellers have sold over 100 shirts, meaning they've made $2,500 in sales. And guess what? You can create your own Easter themed products just like this without any upfront cost. Using Printify for print on demand, it's the perfect time to get in on the Easter fun. Let me walk you through how to do it. Canva has tons of pre-made templates you can use and customize. So don't worry if you're not a professional designer. You can easily add pastel colors, Easter eggs, bunnies, and flowers to create the perfect spring collection. Next, go to Printify and sign up for an account. I'm already a Printify user, so I'll be using my account. It's easy too. Just give them your email address and make a password that you can remember. Once you're signed up, go to the catalog and search for a t-shirt, hoodie, or any other product you want to sell. Printify has some of the best prices on the market with over 1,000 products in their catalog to choose from. So you can even branch out into selling mugs, tote bags, or hoodies for Easter. Now let me show you how now. Okay, so we're on the Printify catalog. Let's check out all the different items they have. Sweatpants, sweatshirts, pillows, mugs. Look at this. Oh, glass. Oh my goodness. Tote bags. A bucket hat. Oh my goodness. That's so awesome. Okay, now it's time to design. Let's go with that crew neck sweatshirt. Okay, unisex heavy blend. All right, I'm going with the Easter theme. So let's go with, look at all the different colors they have. What a variety. All right, you know I have my Easter theme pictures I'm going to put onto the sweatshirt from Canva. Let's get right to it, okay? So now there's my Easter theme. Look at the rabbit, so cute. Okay, so now we add in the rabbit, center it, make sure it's perfect inside the lines. And look at all the colors I picked. Sports gray, indigo blue, safety pink. All right, got all my colors that I want for Easter. Very vibrant. All right, now we're publishing it, confirm. All right, okay, so now we're gonna publish. Look at this. Okay, check out your title. Make sure it's Spring Floral Rabbit Crew Neck Sweatshirt, generated with AI. Read the description. Make sure it fits what you're trying to say. All right, I'm checking off general product and the sizes. There's your table. Tells you machine wash. Tells you do not iron. It gives you all that information how to take care of your sweatshirt, which I really appreciate. All the different sizes and colors that are available, and the retail price, and then my profit margin. I love it. I'm going to publish now, okay? And boom, there it is, right there, right with my other products. Okay, so now I'm going to make, let's see, a mug, a coffee mug for Easter. It's nothing like a great cup of tea and a beautiful Easter mug, okay? So now I have some fantastic pictures I want to upload. Gotta really put it into the lines. Make sure when you upload your beautiful pictures that you center it, you have it all the way in, because I want it to wrap all the way around the mug. So you see how I'm moving it to Make sure I'm centering it. I love the gold on the eggs. I love that. Okay, so now there's the different mock-ups, mock-up library. They have a variety for different themes. They have all the different holidays. Okay, I'm not going to be putting in the Christmas one it's an Easter one, so I'm probably going to use just the lady holding it just to show the beautiful design for Easter. But they have our serious variety of mock-ups, which I really appreciate. Because I'm telling you, a good picture can sell your merch, all right? I'm going to let you know that. And I'm going to save that selection of mock-ups. Really, really pretty. It came out really, really nice. You're gonna see that on my desk soon. I really like that. The colors, everything, the golds. Okay, ornate Easter egg. Ceramic mug. Yes, it is ceramic. Comes in 2 sizes, 11 ounce and 15 ounce. So make sure you check off both, okay? Because it does have a variety of sizes. Cleans. It tells you how to clean the coffee mug, the ceramic mug. All right, all in stock. The 11 ounce. You're gonna check off, and the 15 ounce. And if you look at the retail price, I could change the price, by the way. I love that you can customize your price. I'm changing it from $8, change that to $10. See, so now your profit margin just changed. And now I'm publishing. There you go. Right. See, it's added to my collection. Now I'm going to do probably a tablecloth. There you go. Look at this. A lot of people on Easter, they have a big spread, a whole Easter dinner. Look how beautiful that picture is. And if I'm going to have a Easter dinner, I'm going to have an Easter tablecloth to go with it, right? So let's do it. Look at all the pretty colors on the tablecloth I did. Look at the design with the little eggs. Okay, did you like that? That was like one of my favorites. Look at that. It tells you machine washable. It tells you everything about how to take care of that tablecloth. Gives you a great description. Make sure you read the description. Okay. Elegant floral Easter tablecloth with gold accents. And I love that because I have a lot of gold accents in my house. So this will just fit perfectly. And even if, I don't care really, your colors are white or whatever, it blends really nicely. And I think this will sell really, really well, especially around this time. Okay, springtime. Spring is in the air. You want your Easter colors, your spring colors. Look at the price. I love it. I'm going to publish and I'm going to make a profit. Yes. Those are the colors you want now. Those pastel, those just pretty colors. Now let's go with a placemat, okay? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to show you this picture I picked out for the placemat. Look at that. Is that elegant or what? So I'm sizing it now. Look how pretty it is. You see all the spring colors? All right now. This is it. All right, I'm going to save that. I'm going to show you the different mock-ups. They have 3 different mock-ups. Okay, look at this. Look at this. It goes with any type of table. It really does. And it gives you all the information, 100% cotton. All right, do not bleach. It says that. And I can add the size. I clicked off the size of the tablecloth so you know what size the placemat is. All right, it's in stock. Is that 18 by 14? Okay. And I'm going to publish. There you have it. There's my Easter spring merch. Fabulous, very professional. While you're busy designing and uploading those products, Printify takes care of everything else. So when someone buys one of your products, Printify will print, pack, and ship the product directly to your customer on your behalf. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch the profits roll in. Now that we have some cool products, let's sell them. Etsy is a great spot, especially since they have over 96 million active buyers. as of 2023. To start doing so, create an Etsy account or log into the existing one. Connect it to your Printify account and upload the products you created. Make sure to optimize your product listing with the right keywords so the right people can find your designs. And here's a pro tip. You can use ChatGPT to help generate SEO-friendly keywords or even optimize your product descriptions to increase your visibility. So I'm signing in. Let's do this. Okay, nice bag. I love that. All right, we're about to go in with Etsy. What brings you to Etsy? Have a business. I want to sell online. Next. Okay, is there anything you want to do with this? To let you know, answer those surveys. Now time for fun. Okay, here comes the fun part. Now, what language, what your shop language you're going to do, you got to fill all of that out. Name your shop. Got to have a name that no one else has, okay? So you just enter your name. Okay, so after you do that, you move on. You save and you continue. All right, so now who made it? Okay, another company or person. What is it? A finished product. All right. Category, it's going to be a sweatshirt. We're going to get our sweatshirt over to Etsy. All right. So let's get that. Add production partners. Now the production partner is Printify. Okay. So now we have that. You have to put the location, put United States of America. Make sure you watch what I'm doing so you can do it correctly. Okay. About production partner. Put a production partner. All right. Why are you working with this partner? I don't have the technical ability to equip this. Okay. What is the role? I design everything myself and they do everything for me. That's the partner's role. Save. Okay. So now we have all that done. All right. Now check out my sweatshirt. You see me design that shirt right on Printify. Now I linked them and look at my sweatshirt. I love that color. Oh, it came out beautiful. And it shows all my colors that are available. The gray, the indigo blue. Yes, spring is here and Easter's coming. I love it. Got to get your sweatshirt on. I love it. I like the price. I like everything. Very simple to do. 1, 2, and 3. All right. That was fun with Etsy. Printify to Etsy. Very fun. Very nice. Came out really, really nice. I'm really impressed. Got my store. You can promote your products through free and paid social media ads, especially around the Easter season when people are looking for spring and holiday themed gifts. Consider running Easter sales or limited time offers to create urgency. Use tools like Placemats to put together fun promo videos for social media. They have a ton of templates for products that you can showcase on platforms like Instagram and X to sell. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche to expand your reach. Additionally, leverage Etsy's promotional tools like Etsy Ads to directly target shoppers on the platform. Click the link in the description to sign up for Printify today and start your own Easter themed business. You know you got this. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try pastel hustling with POD for Easter. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.